In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Roman, Arabic, and English page numbers in same Word document. This is perfect when you want to use Roman numerals for the front matter, like a title page or table of contents, and then switch to regular 1, 2, 3 numbering for the main content, all within one file. I will walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your document, go to the Insert tab and click Page Number. From the drop-down, choose the placement and style you prefer. The moment you select it, Word adds a page number to your header or footer automatically. This confirms numbering is active in the document. Now, let's change that first section to Roman numerals. Go back to Page Number and select Format Page Numbers. In the Number Format menu, choose the Roman numerals option. Set it to start from the beginning using Start At. Then confirm. You should now see I, free, a third, and so on for the pages you've already numbered. This sets up the front section exactly how you want it. Next, it's time to insert Arabic and English page numbers for the main content. Place your cursor at the very end of the page just before you want the numbering format to change. Go to the Layout tab. Click Breaks, and choose Next Page under Section Breaks. This creates a new section, which is essential for using a different numbering style without affecting the earlier pages. Double-click the footer in the new section to open the header and footer area. At the top, you will see it marked as same as previous. Click Link to Previous in the ribbon to turn that off. This breaks the link between sections so the numbering in the new section can be different from the Roman numerals you set earlier. With the link disabled, go back to Insert. Choose Page Number and click Format Page Numbers. Select the 1, 2, 3 format for Arabic and English numbering. Use Start At to begin at 1, then press OK. You should now see Roman numerals in the first section and regular 1, 2, 3 numbers starting from the next section. If something looks off, make sure your cursor is in the correct section, and that link to previous is turned off in the footer. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added Roman, Arabic, and English page numbers in the same Word document. Thanks for watching.